Look, this the root I say you now in the bottle, and this is Mamajuana ready to drink.
Oh, already?
Yeah, but how do you prepare? That's important, you know, because everything is Mamajuana, the same like that. The different that one have leather, you know, covered in leather for more beautiful, but it's the same.
Same, okay.
Yeah, the important, when you bar Mamajuana, what you do? You take, that's the first tip, listen to me. You take honey, here, half honey, red wine, here, one finger, rum, crisp, honey,
Got it.
red wine here, one finger, rum. So the bottle red for 20 days. With that, you shake, you know?
Okay.
20 days.
20
There's
days.
no for drink.
Gotcha.
The first process, no for drink.
No good.
No, for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
20 days.
20 days.
So in 20 days, you see the bottle again. The root maybe absorb the 80% the liquid.
Good.
Absorb because the
Okay.
root, you know, ferment.
Suck it up,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then you take the liquid you got inside, you put it outside.
Pour it in the
No
glass.
for drink.
For drink?
The first time, no for drink.
Not for drink.
No.
So you pour all the
Yeah.
liquid out.
Yeah, but you put it everything out.
Fuck it out, okay.
You take hot water.
Water.
Listen to me.
Listen.
Hot water. You put inside. Don't close for shit. Get hot. No close. You put the hot water. You shake a little bit out. Then the Mamajuana is ready. Then you take a rum. But now it's different.
Now it's rum.
Remember, I say you the first tip: half honey, half red wine, one finger for rum.
Rum.
But now for drink,
All.
it's different. Rum here, one finger honey,
Okay.
one finger red wine,
Wow.
ready to drink. If you're doing this Mamajuana exactly that I say you remember me forever. You got good Mamajuana. If you do it exactly that I say you, the step, no, step by step, the same. You have a good Mamajuana.
So we do the first process only one time?
Yeah, one time.
One time,
Yeah, one
then.
time. For example, that one is ready.
Got it. Cool.
When I want, if I want, I put a rum here and I drink. Okay.
So
yeah.
you don't know honey?
No, honey. Depends if you
Depends if you say
like.
flavor.
If you don't like
Don't
it
like
sweet, the honey later depends. The first time you have to put a honey.
Okay.
It's necessary.
But for here now?
The first time honey or red wine, the first thing. But later you put the rum. If you don't want red wine, don't put it or honey. Depends. The red wine is for the color.
Okay.
Only for the
Only
color.
the color.
Yeah, but if you don't prefer sweet,
Sweet, no honey.
You don't
No
put the
honey.
honey.
Just
the
rum.
important, you take the taste from the root.
Okay.
That's the most important. So when the rum finish, you put a rum again. In 1 minute, it's ready for drink. For example, if I take one bottle of rum here, I only wait 1 minute. In 1 minute, the root gives the taste. And I drink, finish, again, more rum. Forever. 50 years, 60 years, you die, you taste forever.
They're still here.
Mamajuana, that's not good. The product is not very commercial because you buy only one time, no more. You buy one car today, maybe one car. In 2 years you buy another car. But this one time. Forever. Yeah. You know, I don't know if you understand my
Oh, see.
My English is not
very
very
great, good.
You understand me?
Yeah,
good.
Yeah, good.
So that's the Mamajuana. I got the Mamajuana in different size.
Different.
Little, half,